Hey, what's up? So good evening again. So we are here in our part 2 demo for our full stack web development using Laravel and Vue.js. So this one is our Laravel backend again, and this one is our front end Vue.js. So the next thing we're gonna do is we apply some custom route guard. So for this, when you want to visit the slash user or slash, so before that we have implemented before enter, and the guard function will be this one is just simply checking if we have something in our local storage, the token that will be saved. And then if we don't have the token, so we will be redirecting to our login. So guys, I think if you have advices for this one to improve, like creating something global middleware here, or something inside our interceptors, or something inside our routes, our router which is here, we can do before each. Please comment below or just share your knowledge also. So for this one, in our books and our default URL, we are checking before we enter that URL to check if we have a token inside our browser. So if you're going to visit this one, we will be redirecting into what we call this one our login form. So let me copy a user. Let's try to log in. So the password is password, since we are just simply generating this one into our factory. So kindly look at this login and register button. It will change once we log in successfully. It will turn into log out. So this is a typical single page application. So right now, let me discuss this one. So in our back end here, so I never put our middleware inside our routes. Maybe it's just fun for me to put it in our constructor inside our controller. So when we access this one, the get all users and deleting a user and browsing of books. So we are running a middleware of API. So this means that if you want to get all the user, delete, and books, you need to be authenticated. So to make an example, since we are using a JWT token for our Laravel 7 project, so we need to add something in our front end, which is something like this, the header one. In our header, since I'm just using the interceptors because interceptors save as our middleware in our front end, and then this is the default base URL, so that you will never be using this long URL instead of just simply doing this one. So where I'm declaring this one as global. So here we have our config headers, common authorization, beta, and then we are getting our token inside our browser local storage, and header also accepts application JSON. So for this, well, you cannot successfully get all this list of users if you are not first log in, you are not authenticated, because our backend will check if that token is valid, or if that token is has a user. So for this one, if you want to delete, you can delete now successfully, since our deleting of user also is need to be authenticated. So that's it. And what else? Our logout also, we can also do some logout successfully. So for this one, if I explain this one about based on my understanding, so basically, while we're creating routes, so this is our routes, we're importing our view, we're creating we're exporting routes in a constant, not in a default way. So, and then creating our function as a guard. So our function is just declaring this one as a local storage, checking if it's null or empty, and then it will redirect to the next page. We'll proceed into the next page which you want to go, or if you don't have any token, it will just simply redirect into login page. So for that, we will be importing our storage, view user, view x, view router, and this one are routes. So it's going to use that one, implement our router. History means just to get rid of the pound sign in our URL, something like this. Yeah, we're getting rid of that one. So the next is our view x. So you will ask me that did we implement something like state management using view x this time? Um, my answer will be yes, since we're just simply using our state and getters. We're not yet in the we're still in the process of using the mutation and action. So for this one, it will detect if you are off or not. Like for an instant, this one is set as false. So in our up view, you can see here that we have a condition. If we are not log in and register will be displayed. But if we are logged in, the one that will be displaying is will be log out in this right side. So let me refresh our database. Copy some user. The password is always password. And check this one. It will change to log out since we're using a Vuex that part. Alright. So for further explanation, you can comment. And then for the suggestion that I am asking, maybe we can do a global router checker here instead of me using this one. It's quietly dirty adding this one each route. Maybe we can do something like before each something here, and kindly help me guys. And yeah, that's it for today. And tomorrow we will be adding some stuff here using beautify components. We will make this one look beautiful, and that's it. Thank you.